morning, everyone. This is Amy Sine from Amy Sine Photography. I am coming to you from dreary West Virginia. Today it's been a bit rainy and cloudy, and I wish I could go out for a walk, but it's not going to happen this morning. So I'm going to sit here and I'm going to tell you about how to cull in Bridge. If you haven't used Bridge, it's a great tool. I love it. That's how I go through and edit pretty much everything. I'll use Camera Raw straight from Bridge. I can also go through and label all the photos, so I can change all the file names through here in a batch edit. So it just works really well for me. I know you can do some of those things in Lightroom as well, but Bridge works better for me because I use Photoshop. So I just wanted to go over culling in Bridge. So over here you can see where I've already went and separated a few. The way that I do this is with the no ratings. Those are photos that I haven't culled yet. So then ones are photos that I'm not going to edit, and fives are ones that I am going to edit. Now whenever I finish using a 5, then I will put it as a 4, so that way I know it's been edited already. If there's something that I see that I would like to edit maybe, but I'm not really sure, it's just one of those kind of photos, then I'll put it as a 3 or a 2. So that way I can separate them, and it makes it easier in the long run to know which ones are there. And they're always still there, so if you want to go back to the ones and see if there's anything you missed, you can always do that. Or you can also go through your 5s and then cull them down further if you need to. So the way this works is, you can go up to this one. As you can see, I put it as a 1. So whenever I start culling them and I have this pop up over here, then I'll just select no ratings. That way, only things that haven't been rated yet are going to appear in my Bridge. So then all I have to do is go through and just select what I want to use them for. So then they start disappearing after that. And as you can see over there on the left, all of the numbers start going up as I cull through them. So this is a quick way to just go through and just determine which ones you want to use and you don't want to use. And then it makes it easier for you whenever you go through and you edit. Alright, well, that's our short lesson for today, and be sure to tune in. I'm going to start trying to put up some different editing tips and things so that you can learn a little bit more. The next one I'm going to do is using Camera Raw from Bridge, so that way you can see how you get into Camera Raw from here and also some tricks with it. So thank you for tuning in and have a great day.